An old house in the Amazon has been converted into a luxury home. This stunning mansion now overlooks the lush, vibrant landscape, a perfect blend of history and modern luxury. Inside, the luxury room offers unparalleled elegance and comfort. The luxury restroom and washroom feature exquisite marble finishes and spa-like amenities.
This is what this house looked like 5 years ago in the Amazon.
I don't know what could be happening in this. Whoa, look at this place. It's falling apart.
Yeah, what broke all the windows?
Time, weather, maybe vandals. Let's see.
Careful, it's sharp.
I will.
Starting the installation. Securing the fixture now. All done. Looks great. Now for the second lighting unit. Securing it.
All right, team,
Right
move
here.
fast. Deck lights first. Sconces up, power check. Underwater lights in, testing now. All lit, perfect install.
This place is incredible! Look at that pool! Let's go relax over there. This is a dream. Totally. I could live here. Me too. Come on, let's check out the bedroom. This bed is massive. Look at this bathroom. Oh my god. The tub is huge. I need to try it. Girls, come look at this view. Oh my god. The ocean is stunning. Wait, is that a markhor? Look at those huge horns. Such a nice...